Remine Mobile, your Miami MLS mobile solution. Learn how to enable an agent safety feature, the distress alert for a property showing. Find the property card of the property that you wish to show and tap the three dots on the top right-hand corner. Select Start Tour and input your client. You can select from your clients already registered, or you can click to add a client manually. Input their name, their email address, and press Next when you're done on the top right-hand corner. Set your timer. How long do you think your tour will last? Scroll to set it. You can then tap Edit to update your trusted contacts. Selecting more than one is also possible. This trusted contact will be notified if you were to set off the distress alert during your property showing. Tap on Start Timer. Towards the bottom of the screen, we can see that you can extend your showing tour an additional 30 minutes. You can also tap on your distress alert to notify parties, or you can tap on the timer to stop. Join your Miami trainers for a Remine Mobile class. Thank you for being a Miami member.